This is Big Tesla's potential future. Projects are going to blow the entire EV industry. Tesla is unquestionably more than a vehicle company. While electric vehicles remain Tesla's major emphasis, Elon Musk and his skilled staff have discreetly, and not so quietly, expanded into other businesses. Some of these initiatives, such as the company's autonomous driving endeavors and automobile insurance policies, are directly tied to cars. Meanwhile, other endeavors, such as solar and stationary battery storage, are more closely tied to Tesla's larger objective about climate change. In any case, one of the reasons Tesla is such an intriguing company to watch is its capacity to innovate and disrupt in so many various areas. So, what other industries, initiatives, or sectors might Tesla choose to enter and make a splash in? Hey folks, welcome back to Next Tech Ventures, where today, in the next few minutes, we are going to discuss Tesla's future projects. So make sure to watch the video till the end, because this one is going to be really informative. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. First project in our list is the EV powertrain supplier. Actually, Tesla has already supplied electric vehicle powertrains for the Toyota RAV4 EV, Mercedes-Benz A-Class E-Cell, and the B250E. These collaborations took place when Tesla was still in its early stages. Nonetheless, it establishes a precedent that the corporation is willing to supply its parts. Tesla has been working its magic on its powertrains, particularly in terms of range, so we can guess that there are companies who would love to have a Tesla power plant in their vehicles. If Tesla has the capacity to generate an excess of EV components and other automakers are interested, we may see Tesla supplying EV components once more. Next on the list is battery supplier. With Tesla's blockbuster Battery Day behind us, we learned that the Silicon Valley manufacturer wants tighter control over the entire battery production process. Tesla unveiled their new battery technology and form factor, the all-new 4680 cells, as well as the construction of their own battery production facilities. During their presentation, Tesla emphasized that the globe will require considerably more battery production efforts to complete the shift from gas-guzzling vehicles to electric vehicles. As a result, Tesla wishes to expand its involvement in order to ideally reach 100 gigawatts of batteries by 2022 and 3,000 gigawatts or 3 terawatts by 2030. If Tesla achieves its objective of producing millions of batteries in a cheaper, more efficient manner, who's to say the company won't become a battery supplier to others? Of course, this assumes Tesla has an excess of batteries. Right now, battery demand remains a big impediment for the entire EV business. As a result, I suspect that Tesla will go into the extra trouble of providing more batteries for others in the future. But you never know with Elon. Now this one's really exciting. The next project on our list is Tesla Home. Tesla's POWERWALL and solar solutions have given them a foothold in the house development market. With Tesla's efforts to increase its energy storage and solar products, we wouldn't be surprised if the business eventually plans to expand its home services and allow consumers to upgrade further and create a fully integrated smart house. We got a taste of how this might play out during Musk's visit to the Joe Rogan Experience last year. Musk discussed enhancing the experience and efficiency of household HVAC systems throughout the conversation. Musk would eventually use Twitter to stress his desire to upgrade this household setup. What is the Tesla Powerwall, and how does it work? The Tesla Powerwall is a lithium-ion battery best known for storing energy generated by Tesla solar panels. However, you may charge these batteries with any power source and use them as a backup during a power outage. You may also link up to 10 Powerwall units to form a unified energy storage system, making them suitable for both small and medium-sized enterprises and homes. You can now buy a Tesla Powerwall 2 or Powerwall Plus. The Powerwall 1 has been discontinued since 2016, however the later models are far superior. A single Powerwall 2 or Powerwall Plus can store 13.5 kilowatts of power, whereas the Powerwall 1 only had 6.4 kilowatts of useful capacity. The newest models also have a higher power output, 5.6 kilowatts versus 3.3, which means they can power more devices at the same time. The storage capacity of the Powerwall 2 and Powerwall Plus is the same. However, the Powerwall Plus adds an inverter for simpler interaction with solar PV panels. The Powerwall Plus may also produce more kilowatts when the panels are fully charged, but the Powerwall 2 produces the same amount regardless of solar generation. If you currently have a home solar energy system with an inverter, the POWERWALL 2 is an excellent way to add energy storage without making any changes. However, because there is no need to add a separate inverter, the POWERWALL Plus is easy to install with new solar panels, because the original Tesla POWERWALL is no longer accessible. How POWERWALL batteries work. All batteries store direct current, or DC power, while solar powers generate DC power. Home appliances, on the other hand, run on alternating current, or AC. Inverters and rectifiers come into play here. When solar panels generate DC power, it is routed through an inverter where it is converted to AC and then distributed throughout your home. Excess energy that is not used in the home will continue to flow to charge your battery if you have a backup power system. In order to be stored in the battery, it must pass through a rectifier and be converted back to DC power. Both the POWERWALL 2 and POWERWALL Plus contain an inbuilt inverter and rectifier that converts electricity from AC to DC. The inverter in the POWERWALL 2 is exclusively for the battery. Solar panels require an external inverter. The POWERWALL Plus, on the other hand, contains a solar inverter. When the solar panels are not providing electricity, both versions can charge from the grid. Tesla POWERWALL cost. The Tesla POWERWALL is more expensive than many other battery systems, but it provides more storage capacity and power output. The price is determined by the number of units ordered. A single POWERWALL costs $10,500, but 2 units cost $17,000 at $8,500 apiece. They are available directly from Tesla, but they are also available from third-party sources and solar installations near you. Depending on where you reside, your state government or the utility company may offer additional solar tax breaks or other financial advantages. Look for information regarding local incentives and qualifying requirements before installing a Tesla POWERWALL. Is Tesla's battery really better than competitors' products? Without a question, the Tesla POWERWALL outperforms the competition in terms of market share, and customer Tesla POWERWALL reviews constantly praise the batteries. However, when technical characteristics are compared, there are numerous home batteries with outstanding performance available. Here's how 2 other market leaders, the Enphase InCharge 10 and the Generac PWR cell, compare to the POWERWALL. As you can see, the POWERWALL outperforms the competition in terms of storage capacity and continuous power production, as well as its straightforward pricing. Lower cost batteries may save you money in the short term, but you'll be hard pushed to find a model as cost effective as the POWERWALL over the lifetime of your solar system. Last but not least, project number 4, supersonic jet. Elon Musk was once quoted as saying, "A supersonic vertical takeoff and landing electric jet would be exciting to do at some point, I suppose," and this was in reference to a potential future project. But if I attempted to complete the task at this very moment, my brain would just burst open. Although this is a highly improbable objective, it comes from the man who launched his own car into space, so I can't fully discount Musk's vibe here. Even if Tesla and SpaceX do not decide to produce electric jets themselves in the future decade, it is possible that they will sell the batteries needed to power such aircraft. Interestingly, Elon Musk has already made mention of electric aircraft. He had previously indicated an interest in electric jets. However, neither Tesla nor SpaceX ever started such a project. While the electrification of autos is expanding all over the world, with Tesla at the forefront, Musk recognizes that the next stage will be the mass electrification of aircraft. It would be crucial for future urban mobility. This is predicted to have a significant impact on the aircraft sector. Given Tesla CEO's lofty ambitions, it is entirely possible that Tesla or SpaceX may enter the electric plane market, but don't expect it to happen anytime soon. Musk has stated that he does not have the capacity to manage any other projects on top of his present initiatives, such as electric vehicles, battery technology, autonomous driving technology, spacecraft, and so on. So, I think we're at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. And if you have any questions or comments on your mind, let us know down below, and make sure you check out our channel where you'll find more really cool stuff.